Hello there and welcome to another one of these 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. I'm not sure if I'm the only person who's noticed, but a lot of the time these days, journeys on public transport are ruined by the fact that other people sit there flicking through TikTok, watching YouTube videos, listening to music without headphones. Personally, this really winds me up, and if I'm in a bad mood, I can feel myself about to lose it when I'm confronted with this. Last night I was on the bus coming home after meeting a friend in town for a couple of drinks, and the guy behind me was playing music at full blast. Before I flipped out at him, I decided to try a trick that I'd read about in a newspaper article recently. So I stood up and went back and very politely just said, "Terribly sorry to bother you, but would you possibly mind listening to that through headphones? It's hurting my ears, you see." The guy looked quite taken aback, but then immediately turned the volume right down to the point where it was almost inaudible. Job done, I thought. A couple of stops later and he got off the bus, and the old woman who was sitting next to me turned to me and said, "Oh, thanks so much for doing that. To be honest, I'm sick to the back teeth of listening to other people's music on the bus." If you say that you're sick to the back teeth of something, you also sometimes hear, by the way, fed up to the back teeth of something. It basically means that you're very tired of this thing, you're very fed up with it, and you find it very, very annoying because it's been going on and on and on. So you might say, if you're in the middle of an argument with your partner, "God, I'm sick to the back teeth of being criticised all the time." A friend of mine whose dad was a lifelong Conservative Party voter told me recently that in the general election, even though his dad had always voted for the Conservatives, he was sick to the back teeth of them, and so decided to vote for the Liberal Democrats, the Lib Dems, instead. You might also hear that someone is fed up to the back teeth of, or sick to the back teeth of, the weather because it's so hot and muggy all the time. Maybe you're sick to the back teeth of someone's constant complaining. Or maybe, if you've got an old computer like mine and you're not particularly tech literate, you might be sick to the back teeth of this computer crashing on me all the time. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use sick to the back teeth of